dyeing my hair a dark color. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is special. I look really sad. I'm breaking out because I'm getting my period. But aside from that, yeah, I've shared with you how I got to balayage and how I did it to myself. I also shared with you how I tone my hair. But as you can see, my hair is fried up. I cut it actually recently again so that it's a little bit healthier. But I decided that I want to darken it because of so many reasons. We can talk together about the reasons while I'm doing it. I chose a ammonia free dye. It's this one by Schwarzkopf. It's the Perfect Mousse. I got this from the drugstore basically, and it's supposed to be like better for your hair. I didn't want more damage, and I'm trying to darken my hair to hide the damage, because darker hair colors tend to not show much of the damage on your hair, which is exactly what I want to achieve at the end. It comes with instructions. It's pretty simple. So you have 2 bottles. You're gonna mix those 2 bottles, then put this cap and apparently like do a 2 switch and start applying. I'm gonna need to cover my bed because I'm gonna do it on the bed to show you, and let's see how it will turn out to be. I'm nervous because I'm afraid I'll regret this, and even if I do, like, we gotta deal with it. Okay. I put a black blanket underneath me. I'm wearing a black shirt. Oh, it doesn't smell as toxic as like the other things, like hair dyes. So I'm mixing both bottles right here. This is dark brown, if you're wondering, like the color. I'm not sure if that's enough for my hair though. It just feels like little. I'm supposed to do this like twice or so. Thrice maybe, so that everything is mixed and correctly distributed. So I think I need to brush my hair before I put on the gloves. I'm trying to dye my hair darker to hide the like damage. They say darker hair hides the damage. It looks more elegant. I'm getting vibes from like Elizabeth Taylor, Monica Bellucci, Audrey Hepburn. I want that sophistication. Also, when I lost weight, I feel like it's gonna frame my face better somehow, make me look a little bit more sophisticated. Yeah, also it will require less like maintenance, not like the heavy duty situation of the lighter hair colors, which require you always to tone them, take care of them. And also I want to do it darker so that I leave it to grow its natural color. I chose dark brown hair dye because I think, wearing my glove now, I think it's better to have it dark brown than go black. Black will be too dramatic for me, I think. I don't want dramatic things in my head. Dramatic situation. I'm planning to also put the mask for long. I hope that's enough mixing. Like, usually I'm shaking things. I'm not sure if this is like, this movement is enough, but they say it is, so I don't know. Whoop. It's an interesting dye. I'm using it on my ends mostly. I'm not sure if that's correct to do. I'm not sure if I can speak properly, but you know that it is. I don't know, I never trusted like ammonia free dyes. I'm always like a person who goes for like real dyes. So I don't know. And dark brown. I've never dyed my hair dark brown. I always went for like black, blue black when I was darkening my hair. And I had this phase before of like dyeing my hair red. I had also another phase where I was dyeing my hair orange and thinking that that looked so cool. I maybe was delusional. Once upon a time in Angel's time plan. I think I need to brush so that it distributes evenly. I'm really focusing on the ends, as you can see. But it's darkening, and it's darkening nicely. Did not expect that. Ooh. I think I will bring a comb, like the dyeing comb I have, and then brush through my hair or comb through my hair, then apply on the roots. But I am liking what is going on. Separate my hair and start combing through. I want to be really gentle with my hair. 30 minutes. I'm gonna clean up, wash, and come show you. Hi guys, look at this. I'm surprised, I'm in love, I'm everything. I'm really liking how my hair turned out to look like. It frames my face nicely, at least I believe so. And I totally recommend this hair dye, by the way. My hair is really feeling soft. It's feeling healthy, which is crazy because how would your hair feel healthy when you just dyed it? Exactly, right? But that's the case with me now, and I'm super duper happy. So definitely recommend that. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I just thought I would share with you my experience. Sorry for the noise outside, and I gotta catch a bus, so I gotta run away. See you in my next video. Bye bye.